Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto barilla style. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Don't forget a small clove of garlic and a pinch of salt. These simple components combine to create a truly delicious sauce. Now let's get blending. Start by placing your fresh basil, pine nuts, and the small garlic clove into a food processor. Pulse these ingredients a few times until they are finely chopped but still have some texture. Next, add the grated Parmesan cheese and a pinch of salt. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in the extra virgin olive oil until the pesto reaches a smooth, consistent texture. Achieving the perfect consistency is crucial for great pesto. Your pesto should be thick enough to coat a spoon but still easily pourable. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more olive oil. Be careful not to overprocess, as this can make the basil taste bitter. Always taste your pesto and adjust the salt or add a little more cheese if you feel it needs it. This ensures a balanced flavor. Once your delicious pesto is ready, it's time to enjoy it. It pairs wonderfully with pasta, spread on bruschetta, or as a flavorful addition to sandwiches. For storage, transfer any leftover pesto to an airtight container. To keep it fresh, pour a thin layer of olive oil over the surface before sealing. You can refrigerate it for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.